Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya Roy and you are watching Edunation Ecofunomics.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So if you have clicked on this video, it means that you want to learn how to create free Google Forms. What I mean is that Google Forms are free and you want to conduct a primary survey, and hence you need to learn how to create Google Forms. Prior to this, I did create another video about Google and the benefits of using Google and all the opportunities which you can use and extract from Google, and the video is linked here, I guess, or here. Click on the I and you'll get the video. I need to mention that video is not one of my best works. However, the information in that video is extremely precious. Hence, I do recommend that go and check out that video as well. Even though the video is not that high quality, you know, the pixels and all. And apart from that, now let's roll into the video. I am selecting a new tab. You can click on the dots and select Google Forms directly. However, I am showing you the entire process. You type Google Forms, click on the first search option and then click on the personal forms. This will take you to a page where you have to create your new form by clicking on the plus icon. Give a name to your form and write a description. As for me, I have already written a description beforehand, which I am going to copy paste. Now let's start creating the questionnaire. The first question has to be, what is your name, or simply name. This is not a required condition for me. You can skip this step. The next item is email, for which I am making sure to switch on the required icon. You simply click on the plus to create a new question for your questionnaire. Now you can see Google is smart enough to give you direct options. As for me, yes, no, maybe. So clicking on the drop down arrow, you will get multiple options. You can select from multiple choice to checkbox, short answers, paragraph answers, so on, and so many options to play around with. Now that we have learned the basics, let us also know that Google Forms helps you to add images, videos, and so much more to your questionnaire. You can also change your settings as per requirement, and it also allows you to make your form more attractive and change the color and background of your questionnaire. So just besides the questions tab, you have the response tab where all your responses are being recorded in a graphical manner. If you're still here, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe and join the family. I would love to have you here. And until next time, toodles.